Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Itsukimaru, aka Ninja Girl. I'm from Japan. This channel introduces authentic Japanese meal to all over the world, and I hope I can improve my cooking skill. So I cannot wait to cook and eat because I love to eat. Today I'm going to cook Sanuki Udon. Udon is a very common meal in Japan, which made by wheat flour. It's really thicker than soba. Soba is more thin. It's soft, but it's also kinda chewy. The how to cook udon is very simple. Just boil the udon and put the topping. Now let's go! So today I'm going to cook soup stock for udon noodles. So I'm gonna show the ingredients for soup stock. So this is Bonito flakes, which is called Katsuobushi in Japanese. 10 grams of Bonito flakes. Okay, and then 300 milliliter of water. So this is for the soup stock for udon noodle, but usually I don't do this process, so you can skip. Okay, so for the udon soup I'm going to use Japanese soup stock, 300 milliliter, and soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and half tablespoon of mirin, and half teaspoon of sugar, and a pinch of salt. So for the main ingredients is of course udon. So for the topping, I'm going to add Kamaboko, which is actually fish paste. You can put as much as you want, and spring onions, and I don't know what it is, how this is called in English, but this is called tenkatsu. Fried flour. If you don't have it, it's okay, you don't have to put it, but I'm going to add this tenkatsu a little bit, and I'm going to add wakame seaweed for topping. So I'm going to cook Japanese soup stock. First, boil the water in a pot. Okay, so when the water is ready, you can put Bonito flakes into the water. Okay, and then boil the water for about 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, like this. I'm gonna ask Alexa to put 10 minutes timer. Normally I don't do this process, creating Japanese soup stock from the Bonito flakes. So if you are lazy or you don't have a time, you just can use the powdered type of Japanese soup stock. If there is any scum during the process, remove it. I don't see the scum, so it's okay this time though. So after 10 to 12 minutes, it seems like Japanese stock is ready. So I'm gonna turn off the heat. So I'm going to put this soup stock here and strain it. Here you go. Combine this soup stock and seasonings. First, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And half tablespoon of mirin. Half, like this, and half teaspoon of sugar. It's okay with half. Gonna put it, and a pinch of salt. It's depending on how much as you want, I guess, but I'm just gonna put a little bit. Okay, and I'm gonna mix it. And boil the water again, and I'm going to cook udon. Boil the udon. I'm gonna boil udon for 2 to 3 minutes. It's depending on what kind of udon is though. This is only for 2 to 3 minutes, so it's okay. But if it's a dried noodle, you have to boil the udon more longer. And you can put this udon to this soup. Okay. We can prepare the toppings. So first, I'm gonna cut Kamaboko like this. Oh, it's too tiny. I don't know. Let me see. Do it again. So Kamaboko is fish paste, and normally this color, pink color of Kamaboko, and all white color of Kamaboko is really common in Japan. Color looks really good. And I'm gonna cut spring onion. You can put as much as you want. So wakame seaweed. I have dried wakame, so I just put in water and prepare it. So finally, I can put all of the topping. Yay! Let me see. First of all, I'm gonna put Kamaboko here. I'm gonna put wakame here. And spring onion. See, I get to put everything. And I'm gonna put this fried bowl as much as you want. Okay, udon is good. Yay! Udon. We're gonna eat. いただきます. I want to taste from the soup. It's really good, actually. It's really good. Let me taste again. When I eat udon, I usually don't make the Japanese soup stock, you know, because it takes a time and I have to buy Bonito flakes for Japanese soup stock. So normally I don't, but if you take this process, soup stock tastes much better. Really good. If you have a time, you should do this process. So I always keep saying the Japanese soup stock, but this is called actually Dashi. And Dashi is a traditional Japanese culture which is made from bonito or kombu flakes. There are many ways to use this Japanese Dashi soup stock in Japanese meal. So I hope I can introduce more meal using Dashi in this channel. But let me taste the udon though. I forgot to eat. I'm gonna make a noise. It tastes really good. So the most famous place for udon is Shikoku and Kagawa Prefecture. And when you say Sanuki Udon, udon noodles manufactured in Kagawa Prefecture, which I didn't know, but Sanuki Udon is made in Kagawa Prefecture. And there are some definitions which I don't know, but like has to be handmade udon or like percentage of water. I don't know, like a lot of like definitions, so maybe this cannot be called Sanuki Udon. I'm sorry if this is not Sanuki Udon. I haven't checked the where the udon made, so maybe this is not Sanuki Udon, but there is some strict definition can be called Sanuki Udon, so I don't know. For topping, I think wakame and kamaboko and tempura, I mean fry ball, and this sprinkled onion is common, I guess, and then people will put tempura. But there are a lot of kind of toppings though, like people sometimes put the meat in it, raw egg, a lot of kind. So I hope I can introduce more type of udon in this channel. And my friend actually told me there is a udon school in Kagawa Prefecture, and then people can be professional for udon if people graduate that school. It's actually very interesting, right? This is a hot version of udon, but you can eat cold version of udon too. It's really good for summer. I think a lot of Japanese people eat udon or soba during summertime. Maybe somen. It's really easy to eat even it's hot, so it's really common meal. I eat this up. Gozosama. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. And also share this video with your friend and give me a comment what meal you want to see in this channel. Until next time.